Jyoti. I am studying in seventh grade. Today proud. Peace of mind. Peace of mind. Is nothing but a. Is nothing but a. You smile. You smile. Hi, good morning to everyone. My name is P. Dundapriya. I am studying in seventh grade. Today's word of the day. Panic. Sudden. Sudden. Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Fear. Fear. Example. Example. I am in a state of panic. I am in a state of panic. Antonym. Antonym. Calm. Calm. Relax. Relax. Synonym. Synonym. Frighten. Fear. Frighten. Fear. Thank you. Hi, good morning to everyone. We are from today's conversation. Excuse me, can you tell me the way to railway station? Go straight at the traffic light, turn right, go along the street, walk past the park. Shall I reach the station? Certainly. If you walk 5 meters ahead of the park, you will be there. Thanks for your great help. You are welcome. Thank you to all. Hi, good morning to everyone. Today's easy question. Who is the father of the science? The answer is Galileo. Who is the father of the computer? The answer is Charles Babbage. Who is the father of the biology? The answer is Aristotle. Thank you. Hi, good morning to everyone. My name is B. Nandini. I am studying 7th grade. Today's news headlines. First one, Karnataka's reserve issue is now Indian issue. Second one, tsunami threat around Pacific Ocean. Third one, World Bank says Indian economy has increased. Thank you. Hi, good morning to everyone. We are from today's repeat after me. Keep. Kept. Kept. Keeping. Keeps. To keep. Wanted. Wanted. Wanting. Wants. To want. Come. Game. Come. Coming. Comes. To come. Fly. Live. Float. Flying. Flies. To fly. Go. Leave. Grown. Growing. Grows. To grow. Hi, good morning to everyone. My name is Ekati. I am studying in 7th class. Today's biography about Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is one of the most famous playback singer in the Indian film industry. She was born on 28 September 1929. She was also sang in 22 religion languages. She was also sang in 980 Bollywood films. She was also featured in the Guinness Book. Lata Mangeshkar was won several awards, Padma Vibhushan in 1991 and Bharat Ratna 2001 and many more. Thank you to all.
Morning to everyone. My name is Islam Nanak. I am studying in 10th class. Today 13 1 is 13. 13 2 is 26. 13 3 is 39. 13 4 is 52. 13 5 is 65. 13 6 is 78. 13 7 is 91. 13 8 is 104. 13 9 is 117. 13 is 130. 13 1 is 13 2 is 13 3 is 13 4 is 13 5 is 65. 13 6 is 78. 13 7 is 91. 13 8 is 104. 13 9 is 117. 13 10 is 130. 13 10 is 130. 13 9 is 107. 13 8 is 104. 13 7 is 91. 13 6 is 38. 13 5 is 65. 13 4 is 52. 13 3 is 39. 13 2 is 36. 13 1 is 30.
Hello everyone. Well, today I am here to teach you one activity. Are you all ready for that? I request selected 4th class students come on to the dais, please. Well, repeat after me and do the actions how they are going to do. Okay? Put your right hand in. Put your right hand out. Put your right hand in and shake it all about and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in and shake it all about and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. Put your right foot in, put your right foot out, put your right foot in and shake it all about and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. Put your left foot in, put your left foot out, put your left foot in and shake it all about.